Hey guys, it's me Aditi, and today I'm going to do two Sonakshi Sinha inspired makeup look. One is very daily wear type of look and one is a glam daily wear type of look. The first look is this one, which is a little bit glam, and the second look is very neutral. First look is this, a brown smoky eyes with a lot of warmth in the face. I personally really love this look and I really love how bronzed it is, and if you are someone who loves eyeshadow and incorporates it in your daily routine, then you will definitely love this look because it looks like a subtle glam but is not over the top, and I really love this look. So yeah, and the second look is this one. It has nothing in it, it just has a fierce wing eyeliner which is on fleek, and yeah, this is also a very beautiful look which you can carry every day. And if you're a beginner at makeup, this look is the best to go for because you won't have any tension in this look, and it's literally very easy. Yeah, you might take a little bit time to perfect that wing liner, but otherwise it is very simple. So yeah, if you want to know how I got both of this look, then please keep on watching.
So starting off with our first look, I'm first going to prime my face, and the primer I am using is by Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, concentrating on the areas where I have large pores. The foundation I am using is by NELF, and it is the HD foundation in the shade 01, and I know it might look very light on my skin right now, but it oxidizes and then matches to my skin after some time. So yeah, that's that, and it also has SPF 15, so it will protect your skin from sun if you wear this makeup in the morning. This was the first time I was actually wearing this foundation, and I had mixed feelings about this. I think I need to try it a little bit more. And yeah, so I'm also taking this foundation down my neck so that my face and neck do not look of different colors. Then I'm taking a mix of that peach and orange shade from the Steel Paris 2-in-1 eyeshadow and blush palette, and I'm going to apply it on my crease to give it a little bit more warmth and definition. Then I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow from ADS Singles eyeshadow in the number 210, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease and over my lids, and I will be slowly building the color intensity to my desired amount. Then I'm taking a black gel eyeliner from APK, and I'm going to apply a normal liner. I'm not going to create any wing. It is a thin liner which is not so precise because I will be smudging it anyways. Then here I'm gently smudging the eyeliner with my fingers, as you can see. Then I'm going to pick that skin tone color from my Freedom Dreamcatcher palette, and it has very tiny amount of shimmer which is perfect for this look, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners with that. I'm going to apply the same ADS brown eyeshadow on my lower lashes to just smoke it out a little and make it look more balanced. Then moving on to our eyebrows, I am using the APK gel eyeliner in the shade brown, and I'm going to fill my eyebrows with that without leaving any sparse gaps whatsoever because her eyebrows are very intense and black. I'm not overlining my eyebrows, I'm just following the natural shape of my eyebrow and filling everything in. Then for my concealer, I'm taking this NYX HD Photo Finisher concealer in the shade C3.0, and I'm going to highlight the normal areas of my face, that is my orbital bone, my forehead. Her forehead is a little big, but still she highlights it a little extra. And I'm also going to highlight the bridge of my nose, my chin, and a little bit below the arc of my eyebrows. And then finally blending everything seamlessly. And then I'm going to lightly dust my face with some powder, and the powder I am using is by Lakme Flawless Compact Powder. And then I'm taking this NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium, and I'm going to bronze my face really nicely, because her contour is very prominent, and to just make her face look very structured. And I have applied the bronzer on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and on my jawline, and a little bit on my nose. Then for my highlighter, I am going to take that highlight shade from Lakme Moonlit Highlight Duo, and I'm going to highlight my forehead, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and a little bit of my cheekbones. I thought this highlighter was very perfect for this look because it is very subtle and gives a glow from within kind of look, which Sonakshi rocks. I also applied that on the arc of my eyebrows just to make my eyebrows pop a little more. I'm taking this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and I'm going to apply it both on my upper and lower lashes. I'm not going to use falsies today, I'm just going to apply some good coat of mascara. I see Sonakshi wearing a lot of nudie brown type of shade, so that is what I am applying, and this is by ADS and it is a matte lipstick, so I will be applying a gloss after that because she has glossy lips all the time. But by the time it dries, I am going to apply my blush and I am taking that peachy color and I am going to apply it on my cheeks, and I'm just applying a little amount of that, and then I'm going to apply my Lakme Absolute Gloss and it is in the shade Plump Shine. And yeah, that is the first look completed. I was loving the warmth on my face. Do let me know in the comments how you feel about this one. And also guys, I'm sorry I forgot to tell you that this look was highly requested by a subscriber of mine from the longest time. Her name is Aisha, so thank you dear for your suggestion. And guys, if you have any video request, then you can always comment or DM me. I would try my best to come up with it. And now moving on to our second look, I'm just going to conceal around my eyes and my mouth because I have just removed my lipstick and my eye makeup for the second look. So yeah, I'm just going to neutralize everything with the concealer. Then I'm going to apply some mascara again because I applied the concealer which led to some white eyelashes. This will also provide me a fuller lashes. And then I'm moving on with my eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm using here is by Malio and it is their Black Art Sketch eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a very fierce and on fleek winged eyeliner with this. Sonakshi has a signature look of this winged eyeliner which she rocks all the freaking time, and I absolutely love that winged. Then again, I'm picking that highlight shade from the Freedom Dreamcatcher palette and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners and a little bit on my lids just to neutralize everything. For my lipstick, I chose ADS Panorama lipstick in number 2, and for my blush, I'm picking that pink shade and I'm going to apply it nicely on my cheeks to give it a beautiful flash of color. Yeah, so with that we also complete our second look, and I was loving the fierce winged eyeliner in this one. Please do let me know in the comment section below which one among both of these were your favorite looks. I would really love to know it from you guys. And yeah, with that I also conclude my video and I will see you super soon in my next video. Bye.